tree falls in the woods and no one's around, how do you know it fell? Maybe it's just growing sideways. I went to Burger King on the way over here, and I got some chicken fries. And the problem with chicken fries is they come with regular fries. I just hope the next country France invades is made of apple pie, because that shit would be delicious. And actually, if I can back up a little bit, for the next 30 days, I am a preferred customer. Somebody did try to steal some money out of my bank account, and Bank of America's idea of account security is to give me a card with no fucking name on it! I don't give a shit. If I can beat another dead horse, just a little bit, the world is ending in 3 days. Everything's gonna go to shit. But honestly, if you watch the news, who can tell the difference? See, when I first heard about the apocalypse, I was kind of excited. I'm like, yeah, man, the world's gonna fucking end. I'm gonna go loot shit. No! The world fucking ends. I'm gonna be in a fallout shelter, and that's gonna fucking blow. Because if you're waiting for radiation to go away or whatever the fuck it does, where does all your shit go? I don't want to be in a tiny little box full of shit. And it's not like you can go outside and shit, because in the fucking radiation, you know, you'll be microwaved like the dollar store TV dinner that you are. I mean, unless you get superpowers, but I mean, the only superpower you're gonna get, I mean, fuck, superpowers, man. I don't want superpowers. In the nuclear holocaust, the only superhero I'm turning into is Superman! I can melt the ground with a single bound and then I get cancer and die! Thank you. And really, that's the best you can hope for in a nuclear holocaust. I mean, yeah, you don't have to live through it. Does anybody want to live through that shit? Where am I here? But really, is there any other situation with better odds? I mean, some days I just wish I was aborted. Well, actually, make that every day. I was driving in on I-40, and I saw a sign that said, 7 out of 10 women regret their abortions. You know what that sign should say? 10 out of 10 people regret the day they were fucking born! Do you know why we don't have time travel? Well, maybe we did, but anybody who's ever figured it out has gone back in time to abort themselves.